I just found out about this while adjusting my text that you can actually make the text bold on here. So right now the text isn't bold, but if I go into settings and I scroll down to accessibility and then select display text size, you can make text larger, which I have it on right now. I'm going to turn it off. But also you can make the buttons bold. That's why I was going here for. Let's click on there and then you can see the text is bold now. If we go back here, all the text is bold. But that's all. Just was something I learned today, so not sure if it was useful.